What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer. And as you can see, it's time for another massive tech unboxing. This one is number 37. And you guys know the deal. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, because you know, we got a lot of tech to open up. But this time around, we gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Micro Center. Now, Micro Center actually provided all of the tech that you're gonna see inside of this massive tech unboxing, but don't worry, I had a hand in picking a lot of these products, so we're gonna switch it up. It's not gonna be the same kind of thing over and over again, but we will see a wide variety of the things that Micro Center carries in their stores. So if you haven't had a chance to check out Micro Center's stores yet, I promise you, if you're a techie, go inside one of those stores, you'll have a good time. But Ari.
Yes.
You know the deal.
I do. I want to open that big one right
This
there.
guy right here? Right for it, okay. So I know some of the things in here, but I don't know them all. Micro Center had a hand in picking some stuff that will leave us a bit surprised, you know, P.O. Box style. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oof.
Whoa.
First time with one of these. So here we have the Logitech G29 Driving 4. So this is the first time I've gotten my hands on like a steering wheel for like simulation driving and stuff. And this is of course for the PlayStation. So PS4, PS3, and chances are it'll work with the PS5 as well. Now, what else do we have here? Oh, and over here we've got a shifter. All right, so we can shift gears and whatnot. Oh, we're driving for real in here. I'll finally know what it's like to drive a BMW i8 or something.
Oh, poor you, poor you.
Listen, leave me alone.
You only have a Tesla.
All right. But I mean, I never had one of these, so can we like open this up? Okay. So we've got the pedals over here, and we've got the wheel.
So everything that you're gonna open today, you can find it on Micro Center?
Everything in here you can find at the Micro Center store or their website. So here we have it. This is the G29 Driving. Oh,
that's pretty.
and you got the PlayStation controller buttons over here. Oh, this is kind of cool.
Yeah, that's gonna work nice for the Gamer's Paradise.
This is perfect for the game. You know what I need? I need one of those big seats with the triple monitor setup. You know those things that just look like something out of the future? That would be pretty amazing. Oh, snap. Well, why am I doing this with my right foot like I don't know how to drive? I mean my left foot. I'm doing it with my left foot. I like it. I like it a lot. You guys let me know, what is your favorite driving game in the PlayStation store? And real quick, let's check out the shifter. Does this mean you need to know how to drive stick?
Probably.
Send this back.
This looks so legit.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh, you can have this like hooked up to a table and it'll lock in place so that you can, you know, hit the stick like with no problem. So far, so good. Good job, Ari. First pick was on point.
Thank you. I had a feeling about that box.
Okay, Jay, what's next? They're all big. Oh, you wouldn't.
Which one?
All the way over here on the left at the bottom.
Oh my God, of course.
Yeah, J style. All right. Putting the kunai back to work. Everybody's like, where's the kunai, Judd? What is this? Atari. So this is a fight stick with trackball? My cousins would go crazy for this. They're like pro gamers. They take it real serious, especially like fighting games. But this is for like the old school stuff. So we got all kinds of Atari games on here. Oh, Motorcycle, okay. Ninja Golf. They had some wild games on Atari, all right.
Ninja Golf.
Ninja Golf. Let's take a quick look at it. Oh, this thing has some heft to it. And I saw a Raspberry Pi on this. So can you just hook this up? I think you can just hook this up to a monitor. Comes with keys. And you'd be able to play. And look, there's a spot for the keys. Ho ho ho! If you're into like arcade sticks or arcade machines, a lot of them run on Raspberry Pi, so that you can have all the kind of games that you want on there. Emulate a lot of stuff. So we got the HDMI cable over here, power cable. That's the Raspberry Pi right over there. This little guy is like the brains of it all.
If you don't feel inspired to like go get the Gamer's Paradise together now,
I know,
I don't know
right?
what will inspire you.
This is it. Listen, it's not a lack of inspiration, okay?
Let's just blame COVID.
COVID, baby.
Yeah, that's what it is.
COVID slowed us down.
Cookie, if you're coming, just come.
Is that Cookie? Oh, guest star.
Yeah.
Guest star Cookie. So this is the ultimate Atari fight stick with trackball. This is dope. So now I get to pick. I'll go with this guy right here. Now I pick this guy. Backpack. So this right here is the Alienware Vindicator backpack. It's got Vindicator in the name. That's how you know it's legit.
I'm happy Micro's gonna pick some stuff too, or we would just be having portable chargers and backpacks and all the same stuff. So
Jake,
shout out to Micro Center.
Jay, cut her mic,
For
man.
diversifying.
Cut her mic, Jay. All right, but all jokes aside, let's check out this backpack. You guys know me, I'm a backpack fiend. Whoa, lots of compartments. I love that. You got a spot for your headphones to go right here. They rest in there. Lots of compartments for other things. This is for like someone who has like a gaming laptop. They want to bring all the peripherals and stuff with them. What's this right here? Okay, we got a little pouch for other things, probably like cables. I'm happy with this. I don't know what you're talking about, Ari.
No, I'm happy for you. Just happy to see other stuff too.
Wow. Don't marry a hater, guys.
Wow.
And let's see, the last compartment in the back. Oh, we got an even big. So, carry all the laptops, okay? And it's got a hard shell up front, so it'll protect the tech that you put inside of it. And I don't know if you guys have seen me do like the tech heaven videos where I go into Micro Center, do a little bit of shopping, and they have a crazy backpack section, which I absolutely fell in love with. It is kind of dope that they have backpacks geared towards us tech nerds, you know?
Can I pick the next one?
Sure.
I want the smallest box there.
This one's pretty small.
Let me see. Yes, that meets my standards.
Let's see what we have in here. So we got another thing from Logitech. This is the one we picked, Jay. Remember we were looking at the list of stuff? So right here, we have the Logitech G733. It's got an interesting headband in there. And it's got like RGB lights on the sides. Ooh. So I was trying to decide between two different Logitech headsets. And I went with the less expensive option. You know, after I test it, it might be a nice recommendation for you guys who want to get a nice gaming headset that's affordable. Oh, I like these. So we got our USB cable to charge it up. I'm guessing this is the mic. Yes. And the dongle, so you can attach and detach your mic. Can we turn it on? Ooh, you like that, Ari?
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Wow. Oh, man.
I thought I heard the baby crying and got sidetracked.
Wow.
Sorry.
This reminds me of this Octane skin on Apex Legends. I gotta stop. I'm an Apex fiend.
Yes.
So next we'll do this one. It's a long box. Now, of course, guys, I'll have everything that we're opening up and checking out linked down below in the description, so you guys can get a look at them yourselves. Oh, baby. So here we've got the Corsair K100 RGB. Let me pop it open, kind of show you guys why I picked this up. So here we have a mechanical keyboard. Corsair makes some of the best mechanical keyboards out, but what makes this one a bit different is the fact that you have this dial over here. And I think this is like a programmable dial, and it also comes with a wrist rest. Oh, I like this. The padding on this is dope. Feel this, Jay? Oh. Yeah, right? I think I'm gonna make a setup using this, the main gear turbo that we have over here, and like the alien. Yeah, I got stuff cooking up here, you guys. I think I can make something pretty cool with these. Are you telling Jay to pick the big box again, Ari? Why would you do that? All right, Jay, pick the next box.
Oh, wow.
I like how you said, that would.
Good choice, Jay. Wow.
Okay, looks like more than one thing in here. Interesting. So a Raspberry Pi computer kit. So you've got basically a whole computer right in the keyboard. Now you guys saw the Raspberry Pi that was inside of the Atari. That same power is right inside of this guy. Oh, this uses a micro HDMI. And then over here you have a 16 gigabyte SD card. And it comes with a mouse. Official Raspberry Pi mouse. Boom. Very standard. But it looks like they give you everything you need right inside of here. A beginner's guide for Raspberry. This is awesome. I like this. I feel like Chris would like this.
Yeah, I
you know?
do too.
I'm gonna keep this all nice. Might do a little re-gifting. This is something I picked up. Look, babe, an adjustable laptop stand.
You picked the best stuff.
For the, All right, Jay, look at this, Jay. So I'm gonna ignore this person over here. So you can basically work wherever you are. You know, you have your laptop and you don't want to put it on your lap. You want a little more surface area to work with, so you can get it to be the exact height. Jay, are you laughing?
It looks like the thing people put sheet music on, right?
Oh, I guess you're right.
But it's cool, I get it.
All right, listen, I'm gonna figure this out. All right, so we've got the Corsair MM800 RGB Polaris. Now, I feel like we featured this kind of thing a lot on the channel in the past. But in case you've never seen it, you know, it's just a regular mouse pad. But you got the RGB lights that come on the sides. Let's see, let's plug it in real quick. Boom, there you go. And of course, you can use the Corsair IQ software to change up the colors if you've got a certain theme. So I like this a lot. And it also comes with another USB port, so you can plug something else into it. So the same USB dongle that I took out of here, boom, I plug right in here. And now I don't have to worry about a spot missing. Are you showing the people Cookie, Ari?
Yeah, look at her cute Christmas feather.
You know, I felt like we had a lot more stuff here than we've got left. But I'm not mad, because that last massive tech unboxing, that was a doozy. So, all right, who's picking the next one?
Go ahead, Jay.
Of course. Why'd I ask? Why'd I ask? Dang! There's like 5 boxes in here. Okay, so we got a SteelSeries phone grip. These are one of those clips that you can throw onto like gaming controllers. So if you want to play like Xbox Game Pass on your phone or something, and you already have like a controller that works for it, like an Xbox controller, this is what you would put on top of it. Jay, can you pass me like a controller real quick? So you can take this, then you lock it in, and boom, you throw your phone in here, and there you go. I like this, that's nice. Oh, Jay, you know I had to, man. I had to get us a new one. So right here, guys, we've got the Logitech G604, one of our favorite mouses.
The other day when I had to edit without one, it just didn't feel right at all.
The crew knows. This is our favorite mouse to use when it comes to video editing. Now, it's a gaming mouse, but because, let me show you guys. Now, because it has macro buttons on the side, these are all programmable buttons. You can set keyboard shortcuts to each of these buttons. It makes the editing process so much easier for us over here. And they're not as expensive as some other gaming mice out there. Definitely worth it. If you're not editing with a mouse like this, I definitely suggest giving it a shot. We got a few work things in this, this box over here. Jay, we got those microfiber gloves.
Oh, Jesus.
Listen, don't judge. Don't judge. Was it at Micro Center that we discovered these, Jay?
Yeah.
But like you're gonna keep one on your hand while you're shooting? Oh, okay.
So you know, you're shooting, you're doing your videos, and oh, my phone has some smudges on it.
Yeah.
You just
Okay, I get it. I see it.
clean. Ooh. But yeah, microfiber glove, very nice. So what if you look like you have a bare hand or a bare paw? It's okay. Keeps your stuff clean. Okay, and we got another microfiber screen cloth. I was waiting for this one. So here we have the FireCuda gaming SSD. So in one of my trips to Micro Center, I picked up the Seagate FireCuda gaming dock, which is pretty cool. It had a 4 terabyte hard drive with an expansion slot for an SSD. And this is just a straight up gaming SSD, 2 terabytes, up to 2000 megabytes read and write speed, which is nuts. And look guys, look how small this thing is. Ooh, and look at that thing. That's solid. Jay, feel this. Oh. Oh, Ari, you want to feel it too? You want to feel how solid it is? Go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, solid.
And this thing has RGB lights, very pocketable. I like this a lot. Jay, this might be the new editing drive. I know it's supposed to be for gaming, but I mean, those speeds. Okay, I kind of picked this up just for fun. Do you guys remember the days of needing like a cooling pad for your laptop?
Yes.
So it wouldn't overheat while it's like on your bed or something?
We definitely had one in college.
Listen, I'll put up a picture of my old setup. I definitely had something like this holding up my laptop. You guys can see the gigantic fan. So if you have a laptop that, you know, tends to slow down on you because it's overheating, you know, you got options out there, folks. Oh, something else from Atari? Pong. Oh, snap. Old school. Small game console that simulates the ping pong game.
Who doesn't love ping pong?
Huh?
I said, who doesn't love ping pong?
Right? Oh, okay. So, let's see. You can turn this on. Please have a little bit of juice.
It's old school, Judge. It's not gonna have juice.
Dang.
It's from the 80s.
But it's not.
I'm just kidding.
But this is cool though. So I think,
I really want to play with this.
so you can go like this to move the little thing up and down
And this
to
is
the
for
left and
another
right. Yeah, 2-person.
Oh my, I want to play this.
And then you hit launch, like you get it, launch. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'll play your dad when he comes over for
He's
Christmas.
going to beat you randomly. I'm telling you. It's so weird.
Oh, nice. So we got the Mural Wi-Fi photo frame. I was just saying we need one of these.
Really?
For our parents, for pictures of their baby.
Oh.
So basically with these Wi-Fi photo frames, you can have your phone send different photos over through the cloud and have it show up randomly on the frame. This is gonna be so nice to give.
Yeah.
Which parents do we give it to though? Which grandparents do we give it to?
I call it.
We'll rock, paper, scissors for it.
Okay, let's do it now. Ready?
No.
Come on, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. 2 out of 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Dang.
Yes. You're welcome, Mom and Dad. I did it for you.
But it is dope because look, this is a grandparent right here. I just know it. Look at that pictures of the kids. Come on. All right.
And the last one.
Who wants to pick?
Yeah, okay. But that's cool. Like they have like game stuff, home stuff.
There's all kinds of stuff over at Micro Center. So that's one of the things that surprised me the most when we did those tours inside of it. Just the variety was insane. Oh, yes. So I don't know if you guys, we've talked about it a ton on the channel. We're always looking for a better Wi-Fi solution. Right now we have like Google Home, like the Google Wi-Fi's all over the house. We still have Wi-Fi issues. It's really important for us because we use it for Wi-Fi calling. So we got our hands on the Asus Zen Wi-Fi 8X. It's a Wi-Fi 6. This is Wi-Fi 6, right? Yes. Tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, just really quickly so we can see what it looks like.
I don't even have to give you a Christmas gift. This was Christmas for you just now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All of this.
Whoa. Watch your mouth. Now, this is supposed to cover up to 5,500 square feet.
Oh, yeah.
So that should, I think that covers us. Oh, even the unboxing is fancy on this. Boom. No?
No,
Okay.
I don't really care.
Well,
Sorry.
all right, whatever. But here we have
It's
it.
a nice finish on that.
Yeah, right? You got your ports in the back. All right, well, there's not much to go over. These are just like, you know, routers. But I will let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. Aries over here going like this, wrap it up, wrap it up. Either way, I'll let you guys know if these solve our Wi-Fi issues. 5,500 square feet. That should cover quite a bit. So I'll keep you guys posted. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I usually give my Wi-Fi updates over there. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Huge shout out to Micro Center for sending everything over for this massive tech unboxing. This was a fun one, right?
It was so good. I really enjoyed it. That Atari thing looks really cool.
I know.
And the ping pong. Where is it?
There we go.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be what we do all Christmas.
When the baby goes to sleep, we're playing that.
All right, there we go. But again, huge shout out to Micro Center. Everything will be linked down below in the description. If you have not walked into a Micro Center store, like I said, do yourself a favor, check it out, wear a mask. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. All right. Rock, paper, scissors again, Ari.
No.
One more time.
No.